and inflation under control. Imagine walking through a bustling marketplace centuries ago. Merchants shout their prices, customers haggle over goods, and the value of items seems to shift with every conversation. Fast forward to today, and while the marketplace has evolved, the essence remains unchanged. Prices rise, fall, and fluctuate, often leaving us questioning why? What's really driving these changes? Welcome to India Business Insights. Much like that ancient marketplace, our modern world is a complex web of transactions influenced by hidden forces we experience daily. One of the most significant being inflation. As we grew up, we often heard our parents discuss the rising cost of living. Nothing how groceries became more expensive each week and how careful planning was essential to save money. This piqued my curiosity. What causes these shifts in prices? And how can we, as individuals, navigate this ever-changing financial landscape? In this video, we will unravel the stories behind the numbers, uncover the hidden forces shaping our economic reality, and equip you with the insights to make sense of it all. Introduction. Maintaining low and stable inflation is crucial for supporting sustained economic growth. Both governments and central banks face the challenge of moderating inflation while ensuring financial stability. This delicate balance demands vigilant monitoring of economic indicators and prompt, appropriate actions when necessary. With the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) committed to price stability and the central government's policy measures, India managed to achieve a retail inflation rate of 5.4% in FY24, the lowest since the COVID-19 pandemic. Following the pandemic, the global economy encountered further supply chain disruptions, starting with the Russia-Ukraine war in the first half of FY23. However, in the latter part of that year and into FY24, global inflation began to decrease. This reduction was due to the lessening effects of the price shocks, particularly of energy, along with lower core inflation and tighter monetary policies. The International Monetary Fund reports that the coordinated monetary tightening by central banks in major advanced economies during 2022 to 23 played a significant role in reducing energy prices. This was largely due to the synchronized nature of the policies, which helped lower global energy demand. India's retail inflation is lower than the EMDE's and world average. Despite the widespread tightening of monetary policy by central banks to restore price stability, the global economy demonstrated surprising resilience in 2023. This resilience is visible in both advanced economies (AEs) and emerging markets and developing economies (EMDES) as they are approaching their inflation targets. This pattern is also evident in India, where the IMF data shows that India's inflation rate was lower than both the global average and that of EMDES in 2022 and 2023. A notable trend is the inverse relationship between cross-country inflation rates and per capita GDP. Historically, inflation in advanced economies tends to be lower compared to EMDES. This is attributed to factors such as well-established monetary policies, economic stability, efficient markets that balance supply and demand, and stable currencies, all of which contribute to better inflation management. India's inflation management was relatively better to keep it within the target. Many countries have set inflation targets tailored to their economic conditions, considering factors like economic development, financial system stability, and the trade-off between inflation and the other goals. To meet these targets, various policies and measures are implemented. Notably, India has outperformed several advanced and emerging economies in achieving its inflation target. In 2023, India's inflation rate remained within its 2 to 6% target range, showing one of the smallest deviations from the target compared to countries like the USA, Germany, and France. Despite global challenges, India's inflation rate was 1.4 percentage points below the global average. The survey explores retail inflation trends, including headline, core, and food inflation, as well as regional variations and policy measures to control inflation. Domestic retail inflation. Retail inflation moderated gradually in FY24. Since 2020, controlling inflation has been a global challenge. In FY23, India's Consumer Price Index (CPI) based retail inflation was mainly driven by high food inflation, while core inflation remained moderate. External factors like Russia-Ukraine war, along with domestic issues such as extreme summer heat and uneven rainfall, put upward pressure on prices. To address inflation, India's monetary policy from May 2022 focused on reducing excess liquidity by raising the policy repo rate by 250 basis points from 4% in May 2022 to 6.5% in February 2023. This approach helped reduce the persistent core inflation to 3.1% by June 2024. In FY24, a sharp decline in global energy prices coupled with the Indian government's cuts in LPG, petrol and diesel prices led to deflation in fuel inflation. For instance, domestic LPG prices were reduced by Rs 200 per cylinder in August 2023 and by Rs 100 again in March 2024. Similarly, petrol and diesel prices were reduced by Rs 2 per litre in March 2024, moving retail inflation in these fuels into the deflationary zone. Additionally, a drop in global commodity prices eased inflationary pressures across energy, metals, and agricultural products. Overall, the moderation in inflation was achieved through effective monetary policies and administrative measures during the post-pandemic recovery by June 2022. By June 2024, retail inflation had decreased to 5.1%, highlighting the effectiveness of these strategies. Since then, we have seen two consecutive months, July at 3.6% and August at 3.65%, when the inflation has been below the RBI target. The next section delves into the detailed trends in core and food inflation. Core inflation dynamics in the post-pandemic world. Core inflation hits a 4-year low in FY24. Core inflation, which excludes food and energy from CPI, helps gauge underlying price trends by reducing the impact of temporary supply shocks. Key points include FY22 trends. Inflationary pressures in India eased overall, but core inflation rose to 6%, driven by rising international commodity prices. Core services inflation increased, but at a slower pace than core goods. FY23 pressures. The Russia-Ukraine war intensified inflationary pressures by disrupting supply chains, leading to higher food and fuel prices. This caused a slight increase in core inflation, primarily due to rising housing costs as people returned to urban areas. FY24 improvement. CPI inflation moderated with a significant decline in both core goods and services inflation. Core services inflation reached a 9-year low, while core good inflation dropped to a 4-year low. Monetary policy impact. In response to these trends, the RBI raised the repo rate by 250 basis points starting in May 2022, which led to a 4 percentage point reduction in core inflation by June 2024. A steep decline in service prices hastens moderation in core inflation. In FY24, India's core services inflation dropped to a 9-year low, aided by a moderation in housing rental inflation due to a rise in new housing stock. In contrast, advanced economies face stubborn core services prices, posing risk to their inflation outlook. Consumer durables inflation in India increased significantly between FY20 and FY23, driven by rising gold prices and higher costs in the clothing sector, particularly due to surging cotton prices. However, inflation in consumer durables eased in FY24 as raw material supplies improved, though high gold prices continued to exert upward pressures. Consumer non-durables inflation, CND, excluding food and fuel, spiked to an all-time high in FY 2022, but declined sharply in FY23 and FY24, primarily due to changes in transport costs. Food inflation. Food price pressures due to adverse weather conditions. Food inflation has become a global issue over the past 2 years, with increasing susceptibility to climate change factors such as heat waves, uneven monsoon distribution, and extreme weather events. In FY23 and FY24, India's agriculture sector faced challenges from such events along with lower reservoir levels and crop damage, which negatively impacted farm output and drove up food prices. Consequently, food inflation measured by the Consumer Food Price Index (CFPI) rose from 3.8% in FY 2020 to 6.6% in FY 23 and further to 7.5% in FY 24. Reasons for price measures in major food items. The factors influencing the price changes for various food items are quite complex. For tomatoes and onions, it appears that weather conditions, crop disease, and logistical disruptions played significant roles. Pulses, including tar and urad, experienced price increases due to low production over the past 2 years and adverse weather impacts. The rise in milk prices was driven by decreased artificial inseminations and higher animal feed costs, though the price increase moderated later in the year. The government's response included measures to maintain food security, such as open market sales and the extension of the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana to provide free fruit grains to a large number of beneficiaries. Global food prices and domestic inflation. India's heavy reliance on edible oil imports makes it particularly sensitive to global price fluctuations. The recent downward trend in the FAO edible oils price index has helped lower domestic prices, and the government's monitoring of global trends and balancing imports with domestic production are key strategies in mitigating price volatility. The National Mission on Edible Oils, Oil Palm aims to enhance domestic production of crude palm oil to reduce dependency on imports. Regarding sugar, the export restrictions implemented in June 2022 were effective in stabilizing domestic prices despite global volatility. This approach has managed to keep domestic sugar prices relatively stable even though the global sugar price index has been fluctuating since early 2023. Interstate variations in retail inflation. It's interesting to see how the rural and urban inflation dynamics vary. The higher weight of food items in the rural consumption basket explains why rural inflation can be more sensitive to food price changes compared to urban inflation. The greater variability in rural inflation across states also highlights the uneven impact of inflation on different regions. States with higher overall inflation showing a wider rural to urban inflation gap makes sense, as rural areas might face more pronounced effects of price changes in essential items. The positive correlation between overall inflation and the rural to urban inflation ratio underscores these disparities. Outlook and way forward. India's inflation outlook for the coming years shows a trend toward stabilization, with the RBI and IMF projecting it to align with targets by FY 26. The RBI anticipates inflation will decrease to 4.5% in FY 25 and 4.1% in FY 26, while the IMF forecasts 4.6% for 2024 and 4.2% for 2025. This is supported by expectations of a decline in global commodity prices due to increased supply and lower energy, food and fertilizer prices, although some commodities like base metals are expected to rise. To maintain long-term price stability and manage domestic inflation, several strategic actions are suggested. Edible oils. Increase domestic production of key oilseeds such as sunflower and rapeseeds and mustard. Explore the potential of non-conventional oils like rice bran oil and corn oil, and consider broadening the scope of the National Mission on Edible Oils to include other major oilseeds. Pulses. Expand pulse cultivation, particularly in rice fallow areas and districts with assured irrigation to reduce dependency on a few regions and manage price pressures. Promote summer cultivation of urad and moong. Vegetable storage. Access and improve storage facilities tailored to seasonal crops like tomatoes and onions. Evaluate the feasibility of these facilities given their seasonal demand. Price monitoring. Enhance the clarity and efficiency of price monitoring systems. Link high-frequency price data from various sources to track price changes from farm gate to consumer. expedite the construction to the producer price index and revise the consumer price index with updated weights and item baskets based on recent data. We notice that several of these have been incorporated in the government policies, and we should notice the positive impact of these measures in price stability. These measures aim to strengthen domestic production capabilities, enhance storage infrastructure, and improve price monitoring to manage inflation more effectively. Conclusion. In the dynamic world of prices and inflation, understanding the forces at play is crucial for navigating the economic landscape. As we have explored the journey from the bustling marketplaces from the past to today's sophisticated economic systems reveals a constant theme: the EBB and flow of prices and their impact on our daily lives. India's experience with inflation in recent years underscores the complexity of balancing economic growth with price stability. The Reserve Bank of India and the Internal Monetary Fund project a gradual alignment of inflation towards target levels by FY26 aided by a reduction in global commodity prices and strategic domestic measures. The government's proactive approach in managing inflation through interventions in essential food items, monitoring global trends, and enhancing domestic production capabilities has been pivotal in stabilizing prices. What augurs well going forward is the recent easing of crude oil prices. Further, many of the commodity prices are predicted to be soft on account of lower demand. Yet, the journey does not end here. As we look forward, it's clear that continued vigilance and adaptability are key. By focusing on increasing domestic production of edible oils and pulses, improving storage facilities for seasonal crops, and refining price monitoring systems, India can build on its progress and further mitigate inflationary pressures. Remember, understanding these economic forces helps us make informed decisions and better navigate the financial landscape. If you enjoyed this deep dive into inflation and want to stay updated on more insightful economic content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.